Get the gele. Just watch with me. I'm placing the gele on my legs. Simple and easy to tie. So I'm just going to pick. Simple round gele, guys. Is what we're doing. Easy does it. Can you see? I'll pick from the middle. This one, so I'll pick from the middle. No too much drama, so it's easy to tie. Yes. I will get this cante. Like this. Take it up. This one. Then you tie it in between. Very easy to tie. If you notice, I've not used any pin because the gele is a bit hard. It's difficult to knot. So if you have a tough gele like this, you can just knot it a bit, then use a pin to secure it. Then just keep arranging. Okay, guys. Do you like the gele? It's giving elegance, class, and style. Can you see?